Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our video class is on English. Today we are going to study new lesson, that is playing in the park. Suppose you are going for a picnic, you are going for a park. What you'll do, you'll go there and enjoy. What are the different things we can see in the park? It is shown here. It is a swing. This is a slide. Here a boy playing in a sand pit. Some dog, children playing here football, and you can see a children playing seesaw. So this is a picture of a park. The children enjoying in the park. So in this lesson we are going to study about playing in the park. How the children are playing in the park and what all they do, we are going to read. In the evening, Mrs. Rao is getting ready to take her children to the park. So what is the time of the day that is? That is the evening session. In the evening, Mrs. Rao, the mother of the children, is getting ready to take her children to the park. Now, this is a conversation between the mother, children and others, those who are in the park we will come across. Mummy, let's go to the park. Who is telling these words? Children are telling. Who is telling these words? Children are telling. Mummy, let's go to the park. Okay, Anya and Adi, get ready. Take your ball and your bottle of water. So mother is telling, okay, we are going to the park. The name of the children here is Anya and Adi. Get ready. Take your ball. The mother is telling to be ready and take your ball and a bottle of water. Take a water bottle with you and get ready for the park. Mummy, can Bolu come too? Please. He loves to roll on the grass. So now mother is they are asking mother that they want to take Bolu along with them. Bolu is the pet dog. So they are asking mother, can Bolu come too? Please. They are telling, please Mama, can we take Bolu with us to park? He likes to enjoy. He loves to roll on the grass. He likes to play and roll on the grass. Okay, Bolu can come too. So what mother said? Okay, let Bolu come along with us. Hooray! They are now what happened? They are very happy that mother allowed Bolu to come with them. Wait, Adi, let the swing stop. Now they have entered the park and they have come near the different kinds of swing, what we can say, instruments which we be seeing in the park. Now they came to the swing. So wait, Adi, let the swing stop first. So mother is telling, Adi is going and taking the ball. So mother is telling, wait, let the swing stop. If not, he will get hurt. So let the swing stop. Then you can go and take your ball. Okay, mummy. So what he said? Okay, I'll be waiting till the swing stop. Then only I'll go to it. I want to play on the slide. Now they came towards the slider. The mother, that is the girl, her name is Anya. She went to mother and she's telling that she want to play on the slide. Mummy, I want to go on the slide too. So both the boy and the girl, that is Anya and Adi, they are telling mother, we want to go to the slide. Okay, go. Don't push anyone. Go one by one. So mother is also instructing them. Okay, go to the slide and play, but don't push each other. Don't push. You have to go slowly one by one. Don't push anyone. Be careful. So mother is telling, when you are either on the slide or the swing or the seesaw, you should be very careful. You should not push each other. Look, Bholu is running. Who is Bholu? Bholu is the name of a dog. Look, Bholu is running. Running after Ria's ball. She is crying. So Ria, this is Ria. Along with these people, that is Mrs. Rao and children, that is Anya and Adi. Some other also are playing in the park. Might be they are known to them. Those other people, those who came to the park, these two girls might be known to this Adi and Anya. So they are telling, look, Bolu is running after Ria's ball. It is whose ball? Ria's ball. Bolu saw the ball and he is running after the ball. So they are telling, see, Bolu is running after Ria's ball, and what she is doing? She is crying. Rohan is picking up a stone. So seeing Bolu coming to the ball, Rohan, what he is doing? He is picking up the stone to beat the dog. I will not let him throw the stone at Bholu. So these children are telling that we will not allow Bholu to throw stone at my dog. Rohan, stop. So they are calling Rohan, don't throw stone at my dog. Stop. We must not hit animals. So they are telling we should not hit animals. He only wants to play with you. He is not doing anything. He is not harming you. He too want to play with you. So Bolu, give me the ball. Now he stopped throwing the stone and he is telling Bolu, will you give the ball? So Bolu gave away. Good dog. So Bolu gave dog to Rohan. So they are telling it is a good dog. So that is about the lesson. So here we can see mother is giving some instructions while you are going to the park. So whenever you go along with your parents or you go field trip with the school children with your friends, so teachers also will be giving you some instructions that you have to behave yourself, you should not run here and there, either you are on the slide or the swing, you should not push each one. So beside enjoying, here they are asking us not to push anyone. You should play one by one. You should give everyone a chance either on the slide or a swing or a seesaw. And not only that, even like we human beings, animals like to want to enjoy. So not only we came here to enjoy in the park, even animals also came here to enjoy. They too want to enjoy. So if you see any animals in the park, don't try to pick a stone and hit at them. They too want to enjoy. They too want to get fresh air. They too want to play. So it is a bad habit to hit animals. So here they are telling that even Bholu want to play with us. So don't hit Bholu. Here they want to, Adi and Anya want to say this Rohan and who is that other girl? Riya. They are telling that you should not beat the animals. You should not beat them. You should enjoy. You should play with them. They too want to play. So this is what we have studied in this lesson, that is playing in the park. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.